Sweet, velvety, and irresistibly rich. Are you a true peanut butter fan? If you're curious about how this mouth-watering delight is made, don't miss a single moment of this video as we're about to take you on an exciting journey right now. Peanut butter's complex history spans decades. In 1890, Dr. John Kellogg created peanut butter as a healthy, digestible protein for toothless patients. George Bay later mechanized its production, and in 1903, Ambrose Straub patented the peanut butter machine. By 1922, Joseph Rosefield perfected peanut butter by preventing oil separation and introduced it as the smoother, creamier Skippy. Statistics also revealed Americans consumed 857 million pounds of peanut butter, or 3.36 pounds per person in 1922. Starting as a popular American food, peanut butter has since become a global favorite, with hundreds of brands available worldwide. Let's come to the vast fields where large machines dig peanuts out of the soil and dry them in the sun. A few days later, these powerful machines pick, separate, and collect the peanuts efficiently and easily. The peanuts are then loaded into trucks and transported to the factory for the next stages. Upon arriving at the factory, the peanuts are unloaded and sorted through a screen to separate the seeds from any remaining plant debris. The stems are discarded, and the peanuts are passed through a conveyor belt to remove dirt and dust. The rough shells are removed through a mechanical process that separates them from the peanuts. In this stage, the peanuts undergo an initial roasting to loosen the red skins, making them easier to remove. The peanuts are thoroughly mixed with spices and undergo a second roasting to enhance the flavor and aroma. Afterward, they are cooled for several hours before being ground. And now comes the step that I find the most exciting in the process, where the peanuts are ground with some other ingredients to create a smoother, creamier mixture. Just imagine how delicious it must taste! Finally, the process moves to an automated packaging line for bottling. Now is the time to savor the enchanting, sweet, and rich flavors of peanut butter. If you enjoy indulging in delightful treats and want to discover more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.